Okay, how do magnets work?
The little...
Electrons inside of a magnet. Come over here.
Okay.
And we're going to show you a magnet. These are just normal refrigerator magnets.
What? Yeah.
Inside,
Yeah.
Okay. Inside everything.
Yeah?
Everything on the earth are things called electrons. Think of...
You can't see it.
You can't see it because they're too little. Think of them as little lightning bolts. They're so little you can't ever see them. So, inside a normal, let's get a penny.
Yeah, come on.
Here's a penny. All right, here's a penny. Inside a penny,
Yeah.
you have all the electrons. They go, every single electron in a penny is going in a different direction, right? So inside a penny you have electrons. What are they doing? They're all going different directions, right? None of them are going in the exact same direction. So here, an Ice Age magnet.
Yeah.
Here's a magnet.
Yeah.
Inside, the electrons in a magnet, all of the electrons are going in the same direction, a straight line.
Yeah.
Right? So,
Yeah.
how do the electrons act inside a magnet?
They stick.
They go in a straight line.
Yeah.
Right? So you have a penny. What do electrons do in a penny?
They
They go every different direction. Zoom, 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 zoom.
Yeah.
None of them ever touch.
No.
Inside a penny or inside a magnet, think of all of the electrons in a straight line. But because of things like gravity and particle physics, they revolve around each other. Don't worry about that. That gets too confusing. But imagine everything in this magnet
Yeah.
going in a straight line, working together. So when we put the magnet on the fridge, we're going to open the fridge here, what happens is you can't see electrons, right? Because they're so little.
No.
Yeah, it goes like this. It's going in a circle.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Go in a circle.
It's like this. The electrons start at the top and they go out. Every single electron and go like this. Zoom.
Yeah.
So in essence, they're clinging on to the fridge. And because of what the fridge is made out of,
What?
because the fridge is metal, the electrons hang on to it because the energy of all the electrons. Let me show you over here with the chair. All right. All right. That's your chair, right? Okay. Pretend you're an electron inside of a penny. Try to lift it. And I'm an electron over here. And I'm trying to lift this chair. I can't do it, right?
No.
Now pretend we're an electron in a magnet. Both of us can work together. And we both together can lift the chair. So that's how magnets work. All of the electrons inside of a magnet are doing the same thing.
Yeah.
So how do magnets work?
You get some people to lift my
Yes,
chair
all of the energy and the electrons are going in the same direction, as opposed to a different type of, or a penny. They're all doing different things.
Yeah.
So none of them are working together. So when you see magnets, you know electrons all go in the same direction.
Yeah.
And they help each other out to connect to the metal.
Yeah.
So now we know how magnets work.
Yeah.